I noticed that a number of universities are conducting examinations, so we don't take your time for granted. Thank you for coming, all of your leaders that made it today. I was tasked by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda to collaborate and coordinate with the leaders in academic institutions to get for him ideas that are well researched, that are well thought out, that are summarized for addressing the unemployment challenge that is hitting hard on our national development. And I'm so grateful that indeed the great brains sat here today, and what I have listened to, I can confidently say that yes, we are going to have solutions to present to the President soonest. Permit me, distinguished leaders present today, to extend
in Uganda.
You see, the IT people can divert you when you are not aware. And they don't even show up. They touch somewhere and you see things changing. So I can't even know who touched where. But again, we are here to talk about this presentation. It's a very brief one. But I hadn't called upon whoever has put that slide. I hadn't called for it as of now. So therefore, please, because I know which phrase that, and it's my stuff. It's time it is about. I would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to Professor Barnabas Nawangu for leading this discussion. Because when he tasked me, he was the first one I requested. And on a special note, permit me to thank Associate Professor Bruce Chilenga, seated next to me, for the great work that he did. I want to report myself in this room that I have put Associate Professor Bruce on too much pressure, but he has excelled and did what I was not expecting a professor to do. Thank you very much for accepting work with the soldiers. Working with soldiers is also not easy because we put things we think about many dimensions. So Professor Bruce wrote a very good proposal to His Excellency the President, but it was about 35 pages at first. So when he gave it to me, I said, Professor, I request that you come and we summarize this, because the President told us to have them. It had all references from all over the many thousand books, tens of thousands of books. So, Professor, I continue to be grateful to you because you came and summarized the document that was over 35 pages with tens of thousands of references, and we ended up with 2 pages and added to Professor Nawangu's. Him, I didn't have to call him already. Then great being the top leader, and so the President just got the 2 documents, and then retasked me to now bring on board the other academic leaders. And thank you for making the time once again. So Professor Bruce here, I have been putting him on too much pressure. He has not slept. I think tonight he will sleep. I am not going to call again because we have got all that we are looking for. So congratulations over convening this great and successful meeting, Professor Nawangu and Professor Bruce. I don't want really to go back to summarize all that has been said. I've been noting down, but what I was looking for, we have already achieved it. The one person I wanted also to recognize and thank so much is Honorable Fred Regine, our former Attorney General, but he gives
accentuate this document, and we really wish His Excellency will listen to us in some of these regional matters. Last but not least is the need to look at some low-hanging fruits like sports and entertainment. We've been doing some benchmarking with Nigeria, which is probably our best benchmark. The creatives industry, film, music, and all these other creatives, is now measured by GDP. But one of the challenges that is happening is the fact that, for example, the law governing, I think it's called, what's it called? When you produce a song and you have copyrights, the copyright law patents is still very, very undeveloped. So these poor young people who are in courts, they are producing music, but the end user is the one benefiting, and yet that creativity is not rewarded. We need to start looking at some of those things. So quickly, because of time, we have a paper we shall produce and give to you, which you can then draw lessons and some of the changing nature of things that we bring. But really to say things like illicit business, smuggling, counterfeit laws, it's so much subliminal issues that are really affecting, at the end of the day, the job creation capacity. So we'll give you some of that information. And thank you at this point. This meeting has also been a learning curve for some of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor.